I first learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube when I was in high school. When I say I learned it, I didn't study the Rubik's Cube and learn the way each axis interacts with the others. I read the little booklet that came in the packaging. I memorized all the moves and all the steps, and soon I was able to impress my friends and family like a cheap magician with a cheap trick. Several years ago, in an abundance of free time, I realized that when you start with a solved Rubik's Cube and repeat this pattern, right side forward, rotate clockwise, repeat, over and over again, it'll eventually return to its solved state. I noticed while I was doing this that there are patterns that show up again and again with some variation. For instance, every 60 turns, the side facing me turns solid again. Now, in another abundance of free time, I decided to video the process to see those patterns appear in fast motion. I also wanted to see how long and how many moves it takes, just so I can understand the depth of my stubborn determination when I first discovered this.